Foundation 8 million. Saa hii tuko 27.56 tree cover na tunataka 13,885,889. Situpigie makofi.
Ukiacha tu hapo, mwingine wa kulisaiko ataichukua.
Okay. Maana tumeisimamisha vizuri. Umesimama vizuri na una make sure at least
wanakuuliza ni Kimathi.
Panda.
Unasikia wanaopesha watapanda bila kamera.
Colonel Wambugu. I'm here on behalf of Kenya Defence Forces and in collaboration with the Dedan Kimathi Foundation. Tuko hapa kwa sababu ya ule mwito wa Commander in Chief yetu kwamba tupande miti 15 billion. Leo tuko hapa kupanda our 100,000 trees which I'm hoping that by the end of this exercise the community that will be left behind wataweza kuchunga hii miti. Alafu bado tutaendelea na huyu mwito mpaka tufikishe ile kiwango ambayo tulikuwa tumeelezewa na Commander in Chief. To the community, my prayer is that once sisi tumepanda hii miti, nyinyi ambayo mtabaki hapa kwamba mtaweza kuchunga hii miti. Hakuna haja tupande miti na baadaye zije zifariki. So tafadhali, I want you to adopt these trees and ensure that they germinate and they prosper. Thank you very much.
My name is John Joroge. I am the County Forest Conservator here in charge of Nyandarua. And we are today combining the celebration of the birthday of our Shujaa, Dedan Kimathi. We are marking this occasion by planting trees. Today we've earmarked to plant 100,000 indigenous, various indigenous species. And we are doing this in collaboration with the KDF. We have Dedan Kimathi Foundation, Meadow Foundation, and other partners that have been partnering with the Dedan Kimathi. In Nyandarua, we have been earmarked to plant 17,885,886 seedlings. And these days we don't just say we are planting, but rather we are growing. So with the rains that are here, we want to take advantage so that we can be able to move our tree cover from the 27.56 that we have right now, and we are aiming that in the next 10 years we shall be 36.69. So we are here with the communities and everybody, and we are also urging everybody else, if you have a birthday or any occasion, started by planting or growing trees, and in that we shall be able to hit what our president has given us, the 15 billion seedlings within the next 10 years. So we are here as we celebrate You can see we are many, and we also enjoy. And we are also saying the El Nino rains that have been told will come, we'll take advantage of that, either here or everywhere where we are in Nyandarua counties. Basically, like where we are is Sasumua Dam is a water catchment area. And in water catchment areas, the best tree species to plant is the indigenous trees, because they act like filters. They help to hold the water and then release the water slowly so that it can be made available to the people. That is why it is important in water catchment areas we plant indigenous trees.
Have rains throughout the season, so we are working with Rainforest Alliance and other partners to plant trees. We have today planted over 2,000 seedlings in this forest, and we will continue working with these partners to make sure that the planting is ongoing. So I want to appeal to the farmers and the people around this block to help us take care of these seedlings. And as we plant the trees also, we also need to take care of the seedlings or the trees that are already here. We are also, as a project and as KTDA Foundation, appealing to our farmers to work with, to use improved jikos, energy saving jikos, to make sure that they are using less firewood, less charcoal, which emit less smoke. So we also reduce on carbon footprints as we are using the improved jikos. Thank you. In tree planting, we do not work in isolation. We work with partners, and we also work through the factories. So like today, we are in partnership with the Maita Tea Factory, which is around this catchment, and we work with farmers, making sure that we are also offering seedlings to them at affordable price, seedlings that they can plant in their farms that can be intercropped with tea. So we are also doing planting in farms, not necessarily in forests. So we are working with all stakeholders.
Munene Shem, mwikari wa Okungariama, mutongoria wa CFA Kathandaine. Umuthi ni muthenya munene muno na wa bata na wa mwanya. Ni ageni aingi umuthi tuma na field day ya andu metagwa Rainforest Alliance. Mokite guku gwitu Kathandaine muthenya wa kubanda miti na kututhomithia maundu maingi ma bata uboro wa ucenjio wa riera na uboro wa ugaruruku wa riera. Koguo tugagikena muno tubiana ta community na tukamera magoko ringi nigetha tubote kubanda miti na tubote gukinyaniria ubandi wa miti uria twathitwo ni thirikari itu wa bilioni 15.
Ahere makoretwo magitema miti no ringi mutito-ini guthie kuiya ngukuo ringi mwiko mukimera atia.
No tubiana ta CFA bamwe na thirikari no twire andu maria mokaga guku kuthukangia miti. Ibinda ria kuthukangia miti ni rithiru tondu twina technology cingi njeru, angikorwo ni ruku twina technology cingi njeru, twina njikokoa, twina maundu maingi na nikio tukio mundi kuthomithio. Koguo ibinda riria riatema andu matemaga miti ni ribituke ni mabinda.
CFA kiurike mico CFA muratanya kuhanda miti igana ringi murathi na mbere kuhimbiria itanya ria president ria kuhanda miti.
Ithue tubiana ta Kathandaine CFA mwaka umwe ni tubangite twina itanya ria kubanda miti 100,000 na nindirona taka tukubingia ubandi wa miti 100,000 nigetha tubote kugwatanira na itanya ria president ria kubanda miti bilioni 15. Ithue tubiana ta CFA tukoragwo na gikundi gitu gitaga scout, CFA scout. Koguo ni tukoragwo tugiprovide ugiteri wa miti na ubandi wa miti tubiana ta community. Ungicuthia guku Mount Kenya no one mutito uyu ni mumenyerere. Tunyitanirite na KFS na CFA twi mubarini wa mbere kuburana na maria mathukangagia maria maturigiciritie.
Riu ni nguria andu a Kirinyaga o haria mari ni njui ni makoretwo makihanda miti all over migunda-ini yao, na kwi application iretwo Jaza Miti. Ukai maofici maitu nigetha tumuonie uria application iyo irahuthika nigetha wahanda muti ona ngoro no umwe kana miti iri ukaingiria miti iyo thiini wa system na nigetha yonekane ati tireru Kirinyaga no turathii na mbere na kuhanda miti. Koguo ukai ofici-ini citu no muthie ofici cia sub counties, forest offices iria cie in different sub counties, na ni mugukora ma officers aitu aria mekumuonia uria mukuhuthira application iyo. Niyo ironania miti iria tuhandite. Ine ngi turahanda tutakuingiria thiini wa system iyo gutiri undu tureka. Koguo ni tuhandite miti mingi muno na no nginya yothe tumingirie thiini wa Jaza Miti application. Da guthie na mbere na kuongerera miti thiini wa mititu itu, and especially kuria kwina kundu open
tahaha tuli ni handu open na ni twahanda miti about 2,500. Uguo ni kuonania turenda kuhanda miti sehemu ciothe iria ironekana kuria tukuhanda miti at least nigetha county itu inyitane. Ihinda riri no njuge county itu tuhandite thiini wa mititu itu area iria ikabitwo ni mititu itu ni 23.62%, na tukiaririria uhoro wa miti iria ikuria migunda-ini twaragia uhoro wa 30.39%. Na target ya the national ni kuhanda ni gukinyia 30%. Uguo ni kuonania tutire boundary off, no ningi no nginya twikire bidii tuhande miti kuria guothe kwina spaces, na nigetha tugerie gukinyaniria target itu iria tubatie ni kuhanda 700,000 no nginya twikire bidii nigetha tuhande miti mingi tuhote at least guthondeka riera ritu, tondu ni muramenya riera ritu ni rikoretwo rigithuka ni undu wa factories iria ikoretwo ciikuo ikathukia riera ritu, na kukagia na gases maingi, greenhouse gases iria ikoretwo igituma kugie na ugaruruku wa riera. No tungirikia kuhanda miti ni turamenya miti ni kuruta oxygen iria kuhota kuhurana na gases icio njuru iria ikunyihanyihia madhara maria turareherwo ni maundu ma ugaruruku wa riera.